Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you if you are getting this type of notification when you are going to check the battery health on your iPhone device and you are facing this type of error or notification, important battery message, unable to verify this iPhone has a genuine Apple battery, health information not available for this battery. So if you are going to check the battery health of your iPhone device and you are facing this type of notification on your iPhone or iPad device, then here in this video I will show you how you can fix and how you can disappear this type of notification on your iPhone or iPad device. So now let's get started how you can disappear. First of all, here you will need to close this tab. After that, here you will need to open setting on your iPhone device. Then here you will need to scroll it below, tap on general, then tap on software update, and here make sure that you are using an updated version of iOS. If you don't have an updated version of iOS, then you will have to update your iPhone device to the latest version. Then after that, here you will need to restart your iPhone device by tapping on the volume up button, then volume down, then here press the power button until the Apple logo appears. So here let's get started how you can restart. Press the volume up button, then volume down, then here press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your iPhone display. So here you will have to hold until the Apple logo appears. Just hold until Apple logo appears. So now you will have to release your finger. Now let your iPhone device to restart. Wait a while. So after that, here unlock your iPhone device. So in order to check the battery health, you will need to open setting. Then here scroll it below. So here tap on battery. So here wait a while. Tap on battery health and charging. So here you can see that now that notification has been disappeared from my iPhone device, and here you can see the battery health on my iPhone or iPad device. So in this way, if you are getting that type of notification when you check the battery health, so in this way you can disappear that type of notification on your iPhone or iPad device. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.